In order to create a slideshow for a presentation, you need to keep several things in mind. First of all, you need to make sure that the slides are as simple as possible. You don't want people to be reading behind you and ignoring what you're actually saying. There's also no point in reading slides to a bunch of people. Instead, you want to have a few keywords on your slide that help your audience to see exactly what you want. Your slides need to follow a very good organization. So you see here I follow an introduction, I have 3 main topics that I'm talking about, and then I have a conclusion. Each one of these slides has a helpful diagram or something that draws the interest of the audience to help explore the topic that I'm addressing here. Here I'm going to be talking about how ants have been alive as long as the dinosaurs. Here I'm going to talk about the head of the ants. You see I've got my 3 main ideas here, and then I've got a picture to help people see this is what the head of an ant looks like. Then here I've got the thorax, right? You can see I've got some details over here, some ideas that I'm going to talk about. Same thing with the abdomen. I've got some specific words over here on this picture that can help me talk to my audience about it. Last, I have my conclusion. You see I've got a picture once again that kind of shows how ants impact their environment. After I've done all of that, what I need to do is I need to create a works cited page. So what you do is first you should have already saved your 3 websites in Scribble. If you haven't, all you have to do is open the Scribble extension. So you can click on the S here, or you can go over here and click on Scribble extension. I may need to reload the page. There we go. So here I've got my citation, right? You can see I've completed that. I couldn't find any more information, so it has been added to my library. Now here I've got another website. If I haven't saved it, I just have to click the extension. See? And then once again, that adds it to my citation library. So once I've done it for all 3 sources, you can see I already have them here in scribble.com. So you go to scribble.com, just type it in, scrible.com, click sign in. It'll sign you in with your Google and bring up that page that I'm on. Usually these will be the last 3 sources that you looked at. You can also create another library over here in order to keep your sources for a specific project in a kind of folder. What I'm going to do to create a bibliography is pretty simple. I just check the sources that I want, and I come over here once again to the quotation marks. When I click that, it creates a works cited page for me. Everything is all formatted. I click copy to clipboard, go to my slides, make sure I put a text box right here, and paste. Ta-da! Works cited page. You'll want to include that on both your slides and as part of your essay, but we'll go over that in another video.